Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add padding, margins, and separators in WordPress. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Begin by launching your web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once logged in, navigate to the Quick Links section at the right side and then click on Edit Site. This opens the WordPress Site Editor, which is your main workspace for adding and editing website elements. Inside the editor, look at the top left corner for the plus icon and click on it to reveal all available blocks. From the list, select the cover block, a useful feature that allows you to add an image background along with text for a visually appealing layout. After inserting the cover block, upload an image by selecting the Image Upload option and choosing a file from your device. Now look toward the top right corner for the Settings panel and click it. Inside, switch to the Style tab to access detailed customization options such as fonts, colors, and other visual settings. Within the Style tab, locate the Dimensions section. This is where you can adjust padding, margins, spacing, and even the aspect ratio of your cover block. Modifying these values helps you control the spacing around your elements, giving your layout a cleaner and more balanced appearance. Finally, if you want to add a separator for a clean visual break between sections, click the plus icon again and type Separator into the search bar. Selecting the separator block adds a dividing line that helps structure your content and improve the flow of your layout. And that's it. So that is how you can add padding, margins, and separators in WordPress. So that's all for this video. Thanks.